So this is the TMS 320C5515 EZ-DSP USB stick. We have the C5515 DSP processor. It's a 16-bit fixed point processor. We are going to talk about this DSP later on. We have the memory is a NOR flash memory. We have here the audio codec. So we have a stereo in connector and headphone out connector. We have a USB port and JTAG emulator. So we are going to power up this board using this USB port, and also we are going to program and debug using this JTAG emulator through this USB port. We also have another slave USB port. We have Bluetooth expansion, so this is expansion for Bluetooth boards. We have expansion connector for 60 signals to access different pins on the DSP. So we have extension connectors for UART, for SPI, I2S, I2C, GPIOs. We have the micro SD card underneath. We have some push buttons, LCD screen, some color LEDs, and this is more or less what we have on the board. So I got this board maybe 8 years ago. I think this board is already 10 years old, from 2010, I'm not sure. At that time it costed $79. I got it from DigiKey. I think I paid something like 70 euros, I don't remember. But unfortunately I think nowadays it's much more expensive, even though this is already a node board. We have already the C55 45 and 35 and other processors. And here's the block diagram of the board. So we have the processor here. We have this external memory interface to communicate with memory. We have here the USB port with this embedded XDS 100 JTAG emulator, and this JTAG bus here, and we are going to debug and program this processor using this JTAG interface. We have here the I2C bus to control the audio codec and the OLED display, and we have the I2S for audio signals from the audio codec and the C5515. And so here we have this bus protocol. So we have USB slave port as well. We have the JTAG, I2C, I2S. So we are going to talk about all these components in more detail and about these bus protocols.